Bakit hindi ka makasagot, Patricia? Or maybe, there's someone else there with you. Tayo mo marinig ang sasabihin mo. Oh, really now, Patricia? You playing hard to get? Please don't waste my time. Because if you won't talk, I can keep calling. Let's see how long you last in this little game of yours. Ang gusto ko lang naman, Patricia, magkita tayong dalawa. And if you won't come to me, then I'll come to you. At wala akong pakialam kung malaman ng iba ang koneksyon nating dalawa.
Attorney Alon?
Trixie, ano ginagawa mo? Why did you answer a call that wasn't for you? Anong sabi ni Miss Wade? Come on, answer me!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to, Mom.
Bakit mo ginawa yon?
I just accidentally hit the answer button. I thought it might be something important, pero... Mom, wala akong nakausap.
Are you sure wala ka narinig?
Wala. Don't worry about it, Mom. I'll just wait for you downstairs.
Gunggong na yun, bakit kasi tumawag pa?
Oh! Ano na? Nasabi mo na ba sa mami mo? Lalabas natin ang ate Lilet mo tomorrow?
Sorry, Dad. Hindi ko pa po nasabi.
Bakit? Mainit ba ulo?
No. May kausap lang po siya sa phone.
Okay. Huwag ka magalala. Ako nang bahala sa mami mo. Ako nang magsasabi sa kanya.
You weren't supposed to call. Hindi ba? Nag-usap tayo that we were going to cool things off? Akala ko ba marunong kang tumupad sa usapan?
I'm sorry. My bad for wanting to make sure things keep running smoothly. How selfish of me.
Alam mo, si Trixie yung nakasagot ng telepono. Si Trixie! Naiintindihan mo ba?
What? Did she hear my voice?
No. Naagaw ko yung phone just in time. But if you want our little arrangement to become tonight's headline at the dinner table, then go ahead and push your luck. Alam mo, Renan, ikaw, abogado ka, pero ni minsan di ka marunong mag-isip.
Now relax, Patricia. Hindi naman pala narinig ni Trixie eh. Alam mo, matalino yung anak mo. That's a given. But she's no detective. Kaya huwag ka mapraning.
Hindi mo alam kung gaano ako kinabahan kanina. Alam mo, pinagdududahan na yata ako ng anak ko. At saka, alam ni Trixie na galit ako noon kay Lilet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now, can we please meet face to face? Like civilized conspirators?
Alam mo ba yung sinasabi mo? Hindi pa nga nagtatagal yung nangyari noon kay Lilet. Na lumabas na aksidente, oo. Pero yung susunod, hindi natin alam kung anong pwede mangyari. And meeting in person is just asking for trouble.
Oh, come on, Patricia. Alam ko naman natitril ka sa mga ganitong bagay. Admit it. Makes you feel alive. Doesn't it? So come on, just this once. I promise I'll behave.